Welcome to Casmo Bricks TV. Today I will be reviewing the LEGO City Bulldozer set 60466. It's 8 plus and it is 682 pieces. As you can see, it's, well, the front of the box, bulldozer, whatever. Turn it around and yeah, those are the details. So it moves and and it even hold on. It even has a semi-functional engine, or at least it looks like it. Time to get to building, and I'll show you how it is when it's finished. Okay, so here it is, the finished bulldozer. Just put it on my turntable. Here, it's a roundabout view. As you can see, proportionate to a minifigure. Whoops. In proportion to a minifigure, just position them. Pretty big. There's the front and the side, which does move, like so. Let's see. Oh boy. Whatever. He tripped. Going back. Here's the back of the bulldozer. Rear view. And the back does actually swivel to smash debris. And yeah, the level of detail on this model is, whoa, for the LEGO City set, it's actually pretty good. Just to take the minifigure over here, it can technically climb, though it has to step on the treads. A bit uncomfortable. But if he manages to get up, then yeah, he's able to get in. The inside of the bulldozer can easily be accessed just by taking the front off. Just connect it to the roof, like so. And someone's driving it. There. Those are nice compact controls. The minifigure fits in really nicely. Just take her out. So you can see the rest of the details inside. So for the shadow. There, that should be clearer. That is quite a bit of detail for LEGO City. Although I am easily amazed by even the smallest details. It might not look like much, but I think that the brown actually adds an interior, and it's interesting how on the side, so for the shaky camera, On the side, it's held together by snot bricks. Stands on top bricks. To give an interior and exterior. It's simple. It's simple enough, but the shapes. This is actually the first time I'm seeing these elements. I don't really have an up-to-date Lego collection because of budget, but yeah, it's pretty good. The back, yeah, that's also great detail. Simple, but yeah, it's just Lego City. It's not an expert thing. I don't really have the expert level models aren't really for me yet. I have like some, but two, at most. It's quite expensive, you know. Legos is expensive, extremely. Now that's how many pieces are left over from the set. Quite a bit. And now I'll show you the minifigures. Okay, just had to move it a bit. Yeah, these are the minifigures. The manager actually has some detail, nice details. Here's the Batman belt, suspenders. That is actually nice consideration to detail. If you take off his head, not his head, his hat. This is his one face, and he's worried about something. I'm not sure what, but maybe an accident happened. Who knows? This hat is actually very interesting. If you can get into focus, because it has curly hair instead of straight hair. So that's new for me, and it kind of goes well with the moustache and everything. But the back, whoops, that's better. Slightly. Yeah, it's a good attention to detail. For a Lego City set, then, let's move it around. Then, there's the driver. Good details. Generic hat piece. And the overalls continue on the back underneath. Very cool. And then this guy just has the normal pants and jacket. He doesn't have hair. Just has a hat. And yeah, it's pretty simple. Okay, is this set worth buying? Well, it is. It is here in Israel, 299 shekels, 90, which in the US is if I'm not mistaken, $86, 80 something dollars. Don't remember quite. But in in euros, that is just under 80 euros, like like 76 euros or something. So in dollars, it's 80, 88, whatever. I'm not great with conversion rates. So is it worth buying? I think that if you're going to make a construction site, $88 for this bulldozer. Because it has 682 pieces, I think it could be good. I don't have much experience with this, but it could be good value for money. Although I did get it at the Lego stores, slightly more expensive there. Yeah, that's that. It was a nice build experience. I learned a few interesting things from the build experience. Yes, it's a Lego City model, but to me it felt more than a Lego City model because underneath it is quite a bit of technique holding it together, making it a very sturdy build. So there was that, and those tracks, these treads. Whew, it's like a chore. But those two things aside, the complexity of the technique and the and those treads, yeah, it's a nice build. It's a good build, and as as you can see, it's not really like all of the all of the all of the extra colors in the pins, or like where there would be connections, like over here, like that. All of these extra tan bits and whatever, it's really well hidden, making this pretty good Lego set, because it looks like, ouch, just put the inside of my mouth. It, yeah, with the minifigures you get just by getting a few, I don't know, a few Lego construction vehicles, like the crane, the excavator, the bulldozer, and the steamroller. And also the tow truck, dump truck with it together. Yeah, you can get quite a team. Yeah, it's pretty good. If you have the whole or all of them, it's a pretty decent construction team. Yes, you have to shell out like $200 or something. It's a rough calculation, but it's a rough conversion for me. But other than that, yeah, it's good. It's a good build experience. I think it would be easier would be an easier build experience if you're building it with someone else. It would be quicker, easier, and that would be mostly because it's it can be quite frustrating, especially with the more repetitive things. But I learned a few things from this build as well. So is it worthwhile? Yes, it's worthwhile. It's a good build experience. It's not expert. It's not an expert model. It doesn't have much to show for it except for the bulldozer. If like, yeah, it looks really good. Accurate. It looks convincing, like any other toy. Like it could be any other toy, minus the minifigures and the studs. But anything else, yeah, it's good. If you okay, so that sorry, that's it for this review. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. Leave a like and subscribe. If you have any questions or requests, I will gladly check the comments and and reply to the comments. I'm quite interactive in there, and I hope to see you soon. Share this video with anyone who's interested in this product. Not sponsored. Yeah. See you.